Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Rheinmetall expands production capacity for combat drones and loitering munitions in Sardinia. Rheinmetall has significantly expanded its production of combat drones and loitering munitions in response to their growing importance in modern warfare. A modern facility for assembly, testing, and warhead integration has been completed and is now operating at full speed. The facility is run by Rheinmetall's Italian subsidiary, RWM Italia, across its sites in Musei and Domusnovas, Sardinia. The company is cooperating with Vision Air Limited on the production of Hero loitering munitions. Part of the production takes place at the Musei plant, where inert and electronic components are assembled and tested. The warheads are produced and integrated at the Domusnovas facility. The current product range includes Hero 30, Hero 120, and Hero 400 systems for infantry use, precision strikes against armored targets, and long-range operations respectively. Rheinmetall currently holds an order backlog of over €200 million for various Hero systems to be delivered to 8 NATO and non-NATO countries in Europe. Rheinmetall also produces its own drones and loitering munitions, including the Luna NG reconnaissance drone. In 2024, its uncrewed aerial systems generated sales of around €120 million, with manufacturing carried out in locations such as Penzberg. The company maintains strategic partnerships in this sector with firms including Lockheed Martin and Anduril. Alongside drone production, Rheinmetall is also active in drone defense, offering solutions across the full sensor-to-effector chain, including jammers, cannon-based systems like the Skyranger, and high-energy lasers. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.